Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Shirogorov Neon Zero Frag pattern bronze anodization here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're liking this kind of stuff that I'm bringing to you guys. This is something that I already reviewed, and this is gonna be just a quick one because I just wanted to repeat myself and tell you how cool this guy is. This is the Shirogorov Neon Zero with a frag pattern. This is Monkey Edge MEFP, Monkey Edge Frag Pattern Edition, in a bronze anodization going on for the scales, not for the clip and not for the backspacer. So you have this pretty cool contrast going on in this grippy package. So this is the same thing as the Neon Zero Frag that I reviewed, but just with some coloring going on. You can also find this guy in blue, and it's just a nice iteration. I mean, this is of course a classic. It's the Neon with this pretty cool pattern here going on. It's running on multi-row bearings. It is a titanium frame lock, M390 steel. You've got all the goodies going on. The action is just spectacular, like really, really smooth. Probably the best action that I've experienced on a Neon. Nice clip, pretty cool backspacer with integrated lanyard right over there. Of course, flat grind. You've got the swedge, you've got the jimping, you've got the sterile looking blade. You got this amazing smooth action for a small knife. Titanium pocket clip, tip-up carry only. Hidden hardware. I mean, guys, this is a classic knife. Really cool indeed. I mean, just if you want to know more, check out my full-length review. It's not going to be the bronze one. It's going to be just a regular titanium one. But hey, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.